My friend Ray are outside. We're gonna prank our parents. We're gonna ring the doorbell and come back inside. As you can see, we didn't plan this, but our parents don't know. So we're telling the truth. We're actually gonna do this without parents knowing. So
watch this.
Please believe us. And we have to bend down and sneak through. Bend down. Is your mom looking? Okay, as you can see, we're going. Oh shit! Your mom saw me. Let's go back. So she saw me because we were standing and I thought she was looking at us. So yeah. She did see me. So we're gonna have to wait. She might be thinking we're suspicious. We're just gonna wait a little bit over here, just in case.
And don't swear in front of my viewers.
I never swear. I'm a non-swearing person. Okay, shh, shh, shh. Close, just come here. Come on. And this time, don't stand with the wrong shoes.
We're gonna go back.
It's really sunny. We're in Australia right now.
Yeah.
In Melbourne.
It's like a
Hey, bend. So as you can see, we're ducking because of her mom. She saw you. So as you can see, I'm crawling. I am crawling because she might see me. Okay, come on. Anybody say? Okay, as you can see, staying here. Okay, I don't think they picked up the door. Let's ring it again.
Let me ring it.
You go ring it. Okay, so we did it. Oh, she's hiding somewhere else. Oh shit. Her sister saw her. Anyways, if you want to do part 2, please view in the comments.
And more subscribers.
Subscribe us, please, and like it. Thank you. If you want us to make more videos, also comment that down.
Yeah.
And we're not doing dancing videos anymore. We just do these videos now because they're pretty sneaky. We love sneaking around. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.